All right, so here I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the dashboard. Okay, as far as dashboard, very simple. The main dashboard is going to give you the stats on leads and then sales right here on the right corner, but also the live updates. As you know, when you have new opt-ins, new purchases, you are going to have everything detailed right here. Okay, so you're going to see exactly the number of leads that you got in the last 31 days and the number of sales that you generated in the last 31 days. The dashboard is really simple. You cannot really customize it a lot, but you also don't need a lot of customization. You are just going to build funnels that work and then be focusing on the marketing aspects. Now, as far as affiliate dashboard, this is exactly what you need to track how many sales you are generating through your affiliate link. And where you can find your affiliate link is right here, promotesysteme.io, and then you have show stats and hide stats. And right here, you just click in this button and you have your link copied. And now you can paste it anywhere that you have, like a blog, like an email, a button, so that you can have registrants from there. Everyone that signs up there and actually makes a payment, you earn 60% of lifetime commissions, which is pretty cool. Okay, now here you can find the active users, how many people are paying on a monthly basis, and freemium registrants, how many people actually landed through your link. On payments, you're going to see exactly the payouts that you have, and then you are also going to see here how many sales you generated throughout the entire 30 days. You can also go here and select the period of time that you want, very simple, and you can adjust the currency to whatever you want to set. Okay, very simple, straightforward. The marketplace offers here is in case you want to promote specific offers that you have in the marketplace, you can go ahead and select them and create your own affiliate program from there. Okay, so this is very simple. Now for the student dashboard, we are not really going to see a lot of stuff here simply because I don't have tons of courses built, but this is where you have your enrollments, how many courses you enrolled with this account. So now here you can see they have enrolled in the Go High Level Tutorial 2023 from this guy, and then when I open it, I can go ahead and check the course there. All right, so really simple. You can see the percentage of progress you have in this specific one, and then you can also see the picture of the course, which in this case they don't have a picture. You can also go and explore courses. I have this other one here, which is the copyright sales pages from Pedro, 99 cents. Get access into the exact same thing. All right, so really simple. If you go to the dashboard on the right, then you go back to your main dashboard. Now going to the marketplace. The marketplace is where you find tons and tons of offers that currently exist and their details. So here on the right side, you have the name, then you can see the rate, which is 10%. Then for the second tier, you have 0. For the last 30 days, you have $0, which was generated in all time. You generated $0 as well. Okay, so you can go ahead, you click there, and then you can promote your offer right here in the sales page, or you can promote the opt-in page from there. You have a lot more descriptions here if you want to, and voila, that's pretty much about it as far as the marketplace is. If you want to add your offers into marketplace, you can also do that, and you can check it in later courses or later video from this course. So this is pretty much about it for the dashboard. A lot of things that you are just going to be focused on is the main dashboard. Try to track exactly how many leads you generated. And maybe if you're interested in affiliate, you can also track your own affiliate commission from here.